In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a DWG file using AutoCAD. A DWG file is the standard drawing format used by AutoCAD, so as long as you have AutoCAD installed on your computer, opening one is quick and straightforward. The simplest way is to locate the DWG file on your computer, either on your desktop or in a folder, and double-click it. When you do, your system may ask which application you want to use. Choose AutoCAD, and the program will launch and load your drawing. You'll typically see AutoCAD start up, then the file will appear in the main drawing area. Depending on the size and complexity of the drawing, it might take a moment to load, especially if it contains lots of layers, external references, or detailed geometry. That's normal. Just give it a few seconds to finish. Once the file opens, you'll know you're in the right place if you see the usual AutoCAD interface with your drawing visible and tabs like Model and Layout along the bottom. From there, you can zoom, pan, and begin working just as you would with any other project. Now, if double-clicking your DWG opens a different program, don't worry. That just means another app is currently set as the default for this file type. In that case, use a quick alternative. Right-click the DWG file, select Open With, and then choose AutoCAD from the list. This tells your computer to use AutoCAD for this one time, and AutoCAD will open the file right away. This approach is especially handy if you only occasionally need AutoCAD for DWG files, or if you don't want to change your system's default app. If you see multiple versions of AutoCAD listed, pick the one you actively use. After a brief load, your drawing will appear just as before. That's really all there is to it. Double-click and choose AutoCAD, or right-click, select Open With, and pick AutoCAD if another program is set as the default. If your file takes a little time to open, or if you see a brief splash screen, that's completely normal. And once your drawing is visible, you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, keep these two simple actions in mind the next time you work with DWG files. Double-click and choose AutoCAD, or right-click, Open With, and select AutoCAD. It's fast, it's reliable, and it gets you straight into your drawing with no extra steps.